So we've got a beef stew on the go today, beef and eggplant, deep tomato sauce, kind of an Arabic Middle Eastern style. It's really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Right. So in the center there, I've got some beef. That's a stewing type beef. I've, cut it quite small. It's not like, big and chunky. There's 1 can of tomatoes there. There's 1 decent sized eggplant. I mean, you can see they're roughly equal amounts in volume. 1 cup of onions. Here I've got a teaspoon of thyme, chili and cumin, a tablespoon of garlic, and about half a cup, it's actually 135 grams of tomato paste. Let's get moving. This is delicious. Okay, so in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. The heat's on, above medium. What we're going to do is we're going to get our meat, our beef in there, and we're going to fry this first. And there's a bit of fat on this as well, which I quite like. We're going to fry this first for about 6 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, that's like sort of 6 or 7 minutes. Got a nice bit of colour on there. Now I'm going to add that 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then I'm going to go with some salt and black pepper. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. We'll have this done in no time. Delicious. Fantastic. Now we're going to get that tomato paste in. I'm going to go for another 4 minutes or so. I want to really sort of cook it out a little bit before we add the other ingredients. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, eggplant time now. See, I've cut the eggplant roughly the same size as the beef. 4 more minutes, again, stirring fairly often. And then we're going to add the spices and our canned tomatoes. What a lovely combination. Okay, I've got 1 can of tomatoes here. They're a whole plum tomato, which I'm just going to break roughly with the spoon. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of thyme, cumin and chili powder into the mix. Then we're going to get the heat down a bit, not a simmer, just above a simmer, and we'll let that go for about 8 or 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And that looks just incredible, doesn't it? I really love that nice deep beautiful tomato sauce there. Now my beef was kind of a fairly good quality, so that's going to be nice and tender. Check it, because you might want to keep going for a little bit, to kind of get it tender depending on what type you've got. I've got a little bit here of parsley, some flat leaf parsley in the mix. Check that for salt and pepper. Off goes the heat, little mix, job done. That is fantastic. And there you go, absolutely beautiful, nice deep tomato, beef, eggplants, bit of spice. I love that. So that's great with some rice or with some kubus or some type of bread. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.